Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use Word template. When today's video, I'm going to teach how to use a Word template. So, how to use a Word template, I suggest all you need to do is open up your Microsoft Word. And once you open up your Microsoft Word, you will see a quick tip for you guys. You will see you call this search bar right here on the top. Just click on it, then type in template. There you go. Then click on new from template. After clicking on that, here are all the templates that you can use on your Microsoft Word. So it depends on the category. Let's say you're doing a business. So here are all the business templates, as you can see right here. Then the templates right there. There you go. So see, there we go. Then go back. Then let's say you're doing a resume or maybe resume or cover letter right here. Or maybe you're just doing a card. Right there you go. Simple card. So let's choose the card. So let's choose this one. This looks cool. Then click on create. After clicking on create, it is now downloading the template, and you, as you can see right now, you are now in the template. There you go. Here is the template, and it also has as you can see right now, I can type here, here, and here because it's already formatted to that you are available to chat anywhere. Type it anywhere right here. So you can also add any fonts or places you want to type right here. If you want, you can just add text right here. Let's click on text, draw a textbook right here. You can add here, or you can add anywhere right here, as you wish. And but now we're just gonna go with this. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. And a quick tip for you guys: you can also what do you call this? You can also change a bit of some here, right here. If you want, you can edit the background as well by just adding pictures and stuff to make it more of your type or more of your preference. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below. Then after clicking I forgot to tell you guys, after clicking the change right there, you're now able to edit or put stuff right here. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.